examples which I have done in my examination. I wrote political science 2 times, and 2 times I topped the exam. First time I wrote the exam without any knowledge. Second time I wrote the exam with full knowledge. On both the occasions, I got the same mark, almost top mark. How it is possible? Without knowledge and with knowledge, getting the same marks. I'll tell you, when I wrote my exam in 2004, there were 60 markers. There were 60 markers. Hannah Arendt, 60 marker. 60 marker. And I can tell you, Cuban Missile Crisis, 60 marker. Cuban Missile Crisis, 60 marker. India-Bangladesh relations, 20 marker. These are the questions which I got. And in that examination, I got 353 out of 600. At that point of time, I have no time to read political science. I don't know anything about political science. Only thing I know, and I do remember even today, there is a 20 marker question, Purusharthas. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. I know only these 4 words. But I managed to write the answer. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. I managed to write the answer. At that time, my age is 22. Okay, I know only 4 words. Raghu, I wish to tell you this particularly. Okay, don't try to overrate this exam and try to put everything, because this exam wants only to the point. They want answers to the point. Nothing, no extraneous knowledge. You are not expected to write the exam, but you are expected to answer the question. Writing the exam and answering the question are 2 different things. Okay, you just don't try to impart all your knowledge into your examination sheet. First thing. Second thing, in 2016, I'll tell you, there's a question. I'll tell you 2-3 examples. 2016, how I wrote. Post-behavioral approach to the study of political science. One question. How me and my friends behaved in Hobbesian state of nature. One question. How me and my friends behaved in Hobbesian state of nature. I didn't write the exam as if I'm a teacher. I wrote the exam as if I'm an aspirant. Okay, what is the sentence I wrote? Thomas Hobbes, who was a tutor of Charles II of England, sought to justify the absolute power of the sovereign in his book The Leviathan. State integration and solidarity is a must condition. Okay, unless there is an absolute king, there cannot be a solidarity. Hobbes painted a very gloomy picture of state of nature. Men are selfish. There is a war of all against all. The life in Hobbesian state of nature is solitary, poor, nasty, brutish and short. No law, no justice. Jungle justice prevailed. Craving for justice, people formed a social contract. Each man said to every other man, I give up my rights on the condition that you also give up your rights. And the contract is eternally binding. Law is the command of sovereign. Sovereign is Ebola. Only this is my answer. This is my answer. Done. 10 marker, how me and my friends behaved in Hobbesian state of nature. No law, no justice. Ceaseless conflicts. Jungle justice prevailed. Life is solitary, poor, nasty, brutish and short. There is a war of all against all. A very bad picture of human nature. Unless there is a strong king, absolute king, there will not be any peace. Covenants without swords will remain as words. This is my concluding statement. Covenants without swords will remain as words. Done. I have completed my answer there. Okay. Post-behavioral approach to the study of political science. This is a question. I started with critical analysis of behavioralism, Graham Wallace, and 1 or 2 points I wrote, and I immediately entered into 7 points of post-behavioral. Substance must come before the technique. Values and facts both are important in the study of political science. Political scientists should also focus on the goals of the society, though it deviates from objectivity. He needs to better the society. Okay, research must be relevant to the contemporary social phenomena. 7 points and gave a concluding statement, completed the answer. Okay, so I wish all of you to take paper 1 part A seriously while writing the keywords. Don't try to write everything you know in the answer sheet. And Chauhan, you try to write everything in your answer sheet. But try to confine to the point what they have asked in the question. Try to confine to the points what they wanted to ensure that you know. Only that matters in political science. Then you can top the examination.